Look what got delivered today. This is what we're gonna play with today. Got some work to do. Primarily widening the driveway. Then if there's time, we'll have some other projects we gotta do. So this should be fun. Day one is dusted. We made a good amount of progress with the excavator. It was definitely similar to driving the skid steer in that the first hour and a half or so was pretty frustrating, and you knew what you wanted to do, but you just couldn't make it do that. But by no means am I comfortable with it, but I did figure out generally how to use the thing. So made a little progress on the driveway. Gonna need all of tomorrow to do more on the driveway and some other projects, but it was a lot of fun, and it was a beautiful day. Well, after 2 days with the excavator, I definitely got at least a little bit better, a little more comfortable using it, and we made some progress on the property. Widened the driveway. Hopefully it's satisfactory. It's a lot better than it was. So, moved some rocks and moved a big stump that we needed out of the way to build a woodshed. So, a lot of fun. I'd love to play with it more. I'll have to rent one again sometime and maybe even buy one someday. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.